Hi friend, this is Dr. Bikram Harijan from Allahabad University. I teach history in Allahabad University. I am here to support my friends Masood Khan, Atikur Rahman, Alam and Siddiqui Kampan, who has been jailed by the UP government under the charge of UAPA and citizen charge. Before going to discuss anything, I would like to say something. I have written in a poem because I believe they are real heroes. I believe that they are a real voice of dissent. So I have written in a poem dedicated to those people particularly. If I am alive, I will speak. If I am alive, I will speak because saying is necessary. If I am alive, I will speak because saying is necessary. By saying, you can save liberty, equality, fraternity, democracy, socialism, and the freedom of expression. The government knew, not from today, but centuries, what? The dead never speaks. The dead never speaks. And those who speaks, this government, the autocratic government, declare a danger man. If I translate into English, Hindi, यदि मैं जिंदा हूं तो बोलूंगा, यदि मैं जिंदा हूं तो बोलूंगा क्योंकि बोलना जरूरी है. यदि मैं जिंदा हूं तो बोलूंगा क्योंकि बोलना जरूरी है, क्योंकि बोलने से ही लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रैटर्निटी, डेमोक्रेसी एंड सोशलिज्म आज जिंदा है. सरकारें जानती हैं आज से नहीं, सदियों से, कि मुर्दा कभी नहीं बोलता, और बोलने वाले को सरकार घोषित करती है क्या? खतरनाक आदमी. सरकार घोषित करती है खतरनाक आदमी. Dear friends, if I go by the line of this poem, my friends Atikur Rahman, Masood Khan, Alam, and of course Siddiqui Kampan is a danger man in the eye of government of India. Why they are danger man? Let me tell you about this. But before going to discuss, I would like to discuss the voice of dissent. Recently, Romla Thapar has written a book called Voice of Dissent. Now, according to her, these kind of element, those who are opposing the state policies, those who are opposing the injustice of a state is called a dissent. According to her, many the voice of dissent are coming, from ancient India to medieval to modern to Gautam Buddha is one kind of a dissent voices. Bhakti movement is also an element of voice of dissent. In modern India, you have dissent voices like all the freedom fighters are the dissent. After the India, you have also some kind of dissent voices. If you take the example of Frankenberg, he also written a very good ideas on dissent. According to Frankenberg, those who are opposing the establishment, that is government, these kind of government, those who are against the injustice and other things are called against the dissent. Now, if I go by these two authors' ideas of dissent, who are the real dissent? According to me, those who are against the injustice of any kind of ideas, those who are against the state oppression, those who are against the state brutality, those who are against the draconian law are called a dissent. To me, Masood Khan, Atikur Rahman, Alam and Kampan is a real dissent voices. I already supported earlier that there are so many people who has been jailed by this government. This Umar Khalid is one of them. The other person, this Pinjra Tod activities are there. Are so many people who has been jailed before earlier in against the those who are opposing the CA and NRC agenda. Now I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about these four people. Let me give the description of this Atikur Rahman. I knew Atikur Rahman personally. I have seen many times him. He also helped me many a time. So he is a very helpful. He is a very good student also. In the same way, Masood Khan is also a good student. He has been, I've heard that he has got admission in Oxford. So, getting admission, helping people, how can you claim that they are the criminal? Now, come to the Kampan. He is a journalist. Journalist is always a part of decent voices. Those who are a real journalist are not going to agree with the work of a state. Take the example of America, take the example of England. There are so many journalists who directly oppose the British government. There are some journalists who also oppose the Trump earlier. But in India, the journalists become the slave of the media houses. The journalists become the slave of government of India, which is they are not corrected. And now recently there is an incident happening regarding the Arnav Goswami. Now the government of India come forward to help Arnav Goswami, while the Arnav Goswami has a very negative role. You see, the Princess Diana has been killed because of this kind of negative journalism. Here, there is no directly evidences against the Sushant Singh Rajput, but these media houses try to malgin the face of Riya Chakrabarti. So in the same way, they are doing negative. But here, Siddiqui Kampan played a significant role, are doing a good service to the nation. This Masood Ahmed, Masood Khan, Alam and Atikur Rahman, who always come front to help the people. The Campus Front of India always forefront whenever any victim, any kind of problem happened. For instance, they are forward, they are coming to help the flood people. They are coming to help to the victim of earthquake. They are coming to help those who are in a danger. Like this Masood and Atikur Rahman tried to help the BHU person. So they are very helpful to the government, to the common people. They are the service provider to the common people. Their service is very good to the government of India. So how can you claim that these are the unlawful activities? By helping Hathras victim is a crime? No. They have been jailed because they went to the Hathras. Even they did not reach their place. Before going to place, they have been arrested. So helping Hathras victim is a crime. Helping Dalit is a crime. Helping earthquake victim is a crime. Now their allegation is that they are going for the rioting. They are going for the danga. They are going for they want to दंगा कराना चाहते थे. ये हाथरस में दंगा कराना चाहते थे, इसलिए इनके खाते में करीब 100 करोड़ रुपए आए. Now there is no direct evidences. No government of agency has been discovered that they have 1,000 100 crore rupees in their account, and still they are in the jail. They are the real heroes. They are helping to the democracy, liberty, equality, fraternity. I am failed to understand. These are the people who really understand the hegemony of these kind of people. The RSS and BJP led government played a very negative role by becoming Muslim is not a crime. By becoming a Dalit is not a crime. But yes, if you are a Muslim in this country, you are a criminal. If you are a Dalit in this country, you are a criminal. So this is the idea of government. I strongly request to the government of India, please release these people, because these people, on the basis of these people activities, the liberty, equality, fraternity is alive in this country. See, whenever this happens, whenever the things happen, these kind of people played a significant role. So I would request you take the example of French Revolution, take the example of Russian Revolution, take the example of Chin Revolution, and even our government, even the Bhagat Singh. Take the example of Pakistan, Habib Jali, Faiz Ahmad Faiz Khan. These people are the decent voices. And because of this revolution, because of these people, we have a democracy. Democracy came with a blood. Democracy came here with a movement. See, let me tell you one thing. These people are very well, they belong to a very well-off family. They can enjoy their life. But why they are not enjoying their life? Why they are coming to help the people? Because they are the real heroes. The Amitabh Bachchan is not a real hero. The Amir Khan is not a real hero. The Amir Khan is not a real hero. Akshay Khanna is not a real hero. Akshay Kumar is not a hero. These are the real hero.